This is how you do the sushi roll with your fidget spinner bearings. You spin it and you place it. If it comes off, nope, fell off the table. Okay, we'll do it with this green one. Yay! Because if anybody was wondering, I am not rolling these. I'm literally taking the metal part, spinning it, and then putting it down on the table. So basically, if you're that guy who likes to take apart their fidget spinners, or their bearing comes out easily, or something, or bearings is really loud and you don't want to put it in, this is what you do with it. The sushi roll. Boom. Okay. Keep in mind, your bearings will most likely fall off the table. Or run into your camera. So, that's just how you do it. Sign out.